Imagine transforming your passion for health and fitness into a thriving YouTube channel that not only inspires and empowers thousands but also becomes a lucrative venture, bringing in over $10,000 a month, all without ever showing your face. I tried YouTube automation. In today's installment of our Faceless YouTube Automation Channel series for beginners, we're diving into a category that's not just popular but potentially lucrative, the fitness niche. If you've ever dreamed of making it big on YouTube without stepping into the spotlight, this is your moment. Creating faceless health tips in the fitness niche can pave your way to wealth quicker than you might imagine, and we're not just talking big talk. Please ensure you follow each step closely, as success lies within every part of this straightforward video. I've crafted easy-to-follow steps specifically designed to assist beginners effectively. I'll explain why I am the way I am. As you're watching this Faceless Fitness channel, which boasts over 4 million subscribers, many of you have likely viewed our content before. Predominantly, our focus is on diet, fitness, and weight loss. Creating content around healthy lifestyle tips and tricks is widely popular. Similarly, another health and fitness channel has garnered over 1 million subscribers, primarily focusing on hill workout tips and nutrition advice. This Faceless YouTube channel Ideas 2024 stands out as the best among those dedicated to health tips. Notably, this channel typically does not feature workout videos. In their videos, you'll find 4 main elements. You can use stock footage or create copyright-free videos complemented by voiceovers and captions. Additionally, there's a specific type within this category, actual workout videos. These are instructional exercise channels that display real or animated images of every body part being worked out. In this video, we'll discuss the first type of video, specifically focusing on fitness channels that offer tips. If you're interested in creating a channel featuring actual workout animation videos, please leave a comment on part 2 of this video and I will address that as well. Now, you might wonder why I suggest that creating a channel in your chosen category can lead to wealth. The reason is that the fitness niche enjoys a very high CPM, cost per 1,000 views, meaning you can earn significantly more per 1,000 views in this category compared to others. For instance, blogging or gaming channels typically experience lower CPM rates. This is because advertisers do not spend as much on ads within these specific niches on the YouTube platform. Typically, you might earn $1 or less for every 1,000 views. However, if you run a channel focused on technology, finance, travel, or fitness, you could earn up to $10 per 1,000 views, highlighting the significant earning potential in these categories without much disparity. How to make money on YouTube? Earning money in this category becomes quite straightforward once your channel is up and running. Beyond YouTube, engaging in affiliate marketing can also provide a substantial income. Additionally, there's another advantage if your fitness channel operates in English. Your channel will attract views not only from India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, but also from developed countries such as the UK, Canada, Australia, and Europe. The advantage of this broader audience? Higher CPM rates. The CPM in these developed countries is higher compared to India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, enhancing your earning potential. In comparison, the CPM in these developed countries can be almost 5 times higher. For instance, while you might earn $2 for every 1,000 views in India, the same video could earn you up to $8 for 1,000 views in the UK. I hope this illustrates the potential benefits of focusing on this category. Now, you might be wondering how to create such a video. We will follow 4 simple steps and your complete video will be ready. These steps are script, voiceovers, footage, and video editing. Step 1. Script. Are you between 18 and 54 years old and passionate about health and fitness? Imagine having the power to craft your own fitness journey, starting right from the comfort of your home. Today, we're diving into the first crucial step of creating impactful fitness content that resonates with your goals. With ChatGPT, we unlock the secret to compelling script writing, laying the foundation for your success. Ready to transform your fitness vision into reality? Let's explore how the right prompts can set you on the path to creating the type of video that not only educates but also inspires. Firstly, in step 1, we will obtain the script from ChatGPT. The success here lies in the prompt. We will provide you with an example from ChatGPT. Initially, you must determine the type of video you want to create. We will present 2 or 3 examples so that you can see my prompt. After that, you'll need to indicate if you've understood. Then I will provide you with video YouTube niche ideas related to this, and from there you'll also start to generate ideas. By the way, I will include this complete prompt in the description and pin comments below. So you'll see it has generated some ideas for me. Additionally, I'm seeking more ideas. From this point, we focus on generating ideas, and then we'll provide a complete script related to these ideas. For example, I mentioned needing a script related to fitness for different age groups. You can provide me with this complete script right here. As you can see, you can simply paste the entire script from here, and it's almost ready to use. If you wish, feel free to modify the script to suit your preferences. Feel free to experiment, copy it, and then convert it into a Word document as it is complete. Now that the script is in English, if you plan to create the video in English, there should be no issue. You may proceed to the next step. However, if you intend to produce the video in French, German, Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, or any other language, you'll need to use Google Translate or a similar service to convert the entire script into the desired language for your video. Ever dreamed of narrating your own fitness journey with a voice that captivates and motivates? Whether you're a seasoned pro at Voicevers or considering exploring new horizons with 11 Labs, we've got you covered. We unveil the power of personalized voiceovers, transforming fitness content into an engaging, inspirational experience. Ready to elevate your fitness videos with a voice that truly represents you? Let's dive in and discover how. Step 2. Voiceover. For the voiceover, you have the option to record the entire script using your own voice. Alternatively, you can visit 11 Labs. Once there, sign up and select a voice artist of your choice. I have already selected Freya as the voiceover artist. Then, adjust the settings for stability, clarity, and similarity to ensure the voice output is clear and of the highest quality. After adjusting these settings, paste the script into the script box and click on Generate to begin the voiceover generation process. After generating the voiceover, proceed to download it to your device. Are you ready to take your fitness content to the next level without the hassle of copyright issues? Dive into our latest guide where we reveal the secrets to finding the perfect copyright-free stock footage and videos. Elevate your fitness projects with stunning visuals that capture the essence of a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're a content creator or a fitness guru looking to inspire, we've got the tools you need to make your vision come to life. Step 3. Copyright-free footage or videos. Next, we need to acquire copyright-free stock footage or videos. For this purpose, head over to Canva and select Create a Design. Then, pick the video size. I will opt for the preset size of 1920 by 1080, as this is HD quality. On the new page, navigate to the Elements section and enter the keyword for the type of video footage you're seeking. Press Enter, then proceed to the Videos section. Select and click on the desired video, and you will see it appear on the timeline and screen. Right-click on the video and choose Set Video as Background to proceed. After setting the video as the background, remember that we only need a clip no longer than 5 seconds. So, drag the end of the clip to adjust its duration as desired. When finished, click on Share and then Download to save the video to your device. I recommend renaming the video for easier organization, incorporating both a numbering system and the name. For instance, I will label the first video as One Fitness for different age groups. Next, take your chosen keyword and paste it into the element search bar, then press Enter. Select a video by navigating to the Videos section, then click on the video you wish to use. You'll see the video appear directly on the timeline and screen. Right-click on the video and select Set Video as Background. Remember, we need the video to be no longer than 5 seconds, so adjust the duration by dragging from the end to the desired length. Finally, click on Share and Download to save the video to your device. Follow these steps to download all necessary videos and save them on your computer or any device you are using. This approach is aimed at saving time in the video production process. Now that all the videos are stored and saved on my device and the voiceovers are ready, it's time to bring your vision to life. Have you gathered your content but wonder what's next? Discover the power of assembly with the most reliable and user-friendly video editor out there. We're diving deep into how you can seamlessly bring together your hard work into a compelling fitness video that speaks volumes. Ready to transform your scattered ideas into a cohesive masterpiece that motivates and inspires. Final step 4. Video editing. The next step is to assemble everything. For this, we need a reliable and user-friendly video editor, and my choice is CapCut for PC. Start by clicking on the CapCut logo. On the screen that appears, click on Import to bring all the video clips along with the voiceover audio files into the project. Place the voiceover on the audio timeline first. Then, drag the first video onto the visual timeline. Make sure to select the 16:9 aspect ratio, as we are creating a longer video for our Faceless channel monetization health and fitness channel on YouTube. Following that, drag each video one by one onto the video timeline, synchronizing them with the audio by making adjustments as needed. This process is expedited for the sake of time efficiency. Now it's time to add text at the appropriate places, such as where a new topic begins. I will select a suitable option from the text templates. Position the text as needed on the video. For transitions, navigate to the Transition tab and apply a transition between each video clip. This creates a visually appealing effect when the video changes. For animations and effects, click on the Effect tab. In this section, you can search for gold and then press Enter to find specific effects. Apply the gold dust effect to the first video. Adjust the atmosphere and speed settings directly on the screen as you watch. Feel free to drag this effect onto multiple videos. Then, search for snow and apply it to the video. Continue to explore and apply different effects as needed to enhance your video. In the penultimate step, we'll add captions. Navigate to the Text tab and select Auto Caption. Choose the language for the captions. I will select English for an English language video and click on Create to initiate the automatic subtitle generation. If the generated text doesn't meet your expectations, you can modify and customize it. Go back to the text options and select a template of your choice. I'll choose this particular one. Then, click on the text displayed on the screen and drag the text box higher for better placement. For our final step, we'll add background music to make the video more engaging. I already have a piece of background music saved on my computer. Simply drag this music file onto the audio timeline. Begin by cutting the audio at the start, as it may start off too quietly. Then, trim the end of the music track. Apply a fade out at the end and a fade in at the beginning to smooth the transitions. With that, our video is ready. Click on Export, and after setting the name and adjusting the video settings to 1080p for HD quality, click Export again to download the video to our computer. Before we play the final video, there's one last thing I'd like to mention. If you face any challenges while creating the video, please feel free to leave a comment or send me a direct message. I'm here to help. How to create a faceless YouTube channel. A pro tip for you: create at least 30 long videos before launching your channel. Make sure to watch our detailed lo-fi video, which provides a comprehensive guide on how to set up a faceless channel monetization. It covers everything from choosing a brand name to optimizing titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags for SEO, as well as following YouTube's algorithm to enhance visibility and engagement before you publish your video. If you found this video useful, please show your support by liking it. Your encouragement is incredibly valuable to us and motivates us to create more content. If you're eager for more fantastic tutorials like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: fitness for different age groups. Whether you're in your teens, rocking your golden years, or anywhere in between, we've got tailored fitness advice just for you. Let's get started. Segment 1, teenagers, 13-19 years. For our teenage viewers, this is a time of rapid growth and development. Focus on building a strong fitness foundation with activities you enjoy. It could be team sports, swimming, dance, or martial arts. The goal is to stay active and make fitness a fun part of your life. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights or running the fastest. It's about setting healthy habits that will last a lifetime. Segment 2, young adults, 20-30 years. In your 20s and early 30s, your body is at its peak performance. This is a great time to explore different workout styles and push your limits. High-intensity interval training, weightlifting, and endurance sports can be particularly effective. But don't forget about flexibility and recovery. Incorporating yoga and regular stretching can help prevent injuries and improve your overall performance. Segment 3. Middle age, 31, 50 years. As we move into our 30s and beyond, maintaining muscle mass and cardiovascular health becomes increasingly important. Focus on strength training to combat muscle loss and add in cardio workouts to keep your heart strong. And if you're starting to feel the aches and pains of getting older, don't despair. Modify exercises as needed and consider low-impact options like swimming or cycling. Segment 4. Seniors, 51 plus years. Fitness doesn't retire when you do. For our viewers in their 50s and up, regular physical activity is key to maintaining mobility, strength, and mental well-being. Walking, water aerobics, and Tai Chi are fantastic low-impact options that can keep you active without putting too much strain on your joints. And remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you're new to exercise, taking small steps can lead to big improvements in your health and quality of life. Conclusion: there you have it, a fitness guide for every stage of life. Remember, the best workout is the one that you enjoy and can stick with. So find what works for you, and let's keep moving together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy.
If you're interested in create a faceless YouTube travel channel in 2024 by using 2 free AI tools in 15 mins, click on the left. If you want to watch how to create best faceless animated crime stories, YouTube channel, using free AI tools, in 15 minutes, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.